Let's go over a few basic things you should check before connecting the hoses. First, make sure you have adequate water pressure. To avoid the risk of costly water damage, purchase and install new water inlet hoses when installing the washer. Additionally, check whether both extremities of the hose have a rubber seal in place to prevent water leaks. Connect the water inlet hoses to the hot and cold water faucets tightly by hand and then tighten another turn with pliers. Connect the blue hose to the cold water faucet and the red hose to the hot water faucet. After the hoses are connected, turn on the water faucets and flush out any foreign substances such as dirt, sand, or sawdust. Let the water drain into a bucket, and check the water temperature to make sure you've connected the hoses to the correct faucets. Attach the hot water inlet hose to the hot water inlet on the back of the washer. Next, attach the cold water inlet hose to the cold water inlet on the back of the washer. Turn on both faucets all the way and check for leaks at both ends of the hoses. And that is how to connect the water supply hose.